Look, you've been sitting on the sidelines, right? Tired of hearing nice guys finish last? I'm about to give you the playbook. Forget being a good guy. We're going to use psychology and neuroscience to turn you into the male version of Regina George, a total catch. Let's dive in. Lesson 1 is pure economics, the scarcity principle. Dr. Cialdini famously proved that things become more valuable to us when they're hard to get. Think about limited edition sneakers or a one-of-a-kind supercar. It's the same in dating. Nice guys fail because they're a $5 buffet, always available. Jerks? They're seen as a rare, highly valued opportunity simply because they don't care enough to be available. Here's the power move. You see your crush surrounded by a pack of admirers? Don't join the queue. Walk right up, flash a friendly smile, say a quick hey, and keep moving. Go talk to literally anyone else, especially a female friend. You've just signaled to her, "I'm not desperate, I'm busy, I'm a limited edition." Now, she has to pursue you, or lose the opportunity forever. Lesson 2 is how you make her invest, the gain-loss theory. Studies show we like people even more when they start out neutral or negative and then gain a positive opinion of us. It feels rewarding. You want her to feel like she earned your approval. So when you first talk, keep it subtle. Don't shower her with compliments. Let your body language and tone convey slight disinterest initially. But, and this is key, once you decide she's cool, you must let her know she's won you over. If you never drop the act, she'll just think you hate her and you lose. Now, you can't be scarce physically. Lesson 3 is proximity. The MIT dorm study proved that the closer you live, the more likely you are to become friends. You need to be a frequent flyer in her life. 10 minutes every day is worth more than an hour every week. You must have good proximity. If you don't, manufacture it. Change your class route, join her club, but listen to me. There's a fine line between creating proximity and stalking. Do not cross that line. Be subtle, be smart, and never be creepy. Lesson 4 is the secret of America's first charmer, the Ben Franklin effect. Franklin knew that if you ask someone for a favor, they start to like you more. They subconsciously think, I must like this person if I'm doing them a favor. You need to give her a chance to be kind. Ask for tiny favors. Hey, what time is it? Can you grab that pencil I dropped? Simple, harmless acts of service make her internalize a positive feeling toward you. But all of that is worthless if you skip lesson 5, the Discord mod effect. A massive study found that the most attractive features are not genetic, they are controllable. If you look like you haven't seen sunlight or a razor in months, none of this works. You need good posture, nice-fitting clothes, noticeable grooming, a healthy weight, and a positive attitude. Take care of yourself. If you put in the work, shower, dress well, and stand tall, you fundamentally stop repelling people. You have to look like someone worth pursuing. Time for the reality check. Lesson 6 is genetic luck. Ultimately, 2 biological factors hold the veto power over long-term attraction. First, your nose. Women's noses are attuned to MHC molecules, which signal disease-fighting immunity. The famous sweaty t-shirt study showed women prefer the scent of men whose MHC is different from theirs. It's a survival mechanism for optimal offspring. Bad news. We men don't have that sense, so you might match up on paper. But if your MHCs are too similar, the physical chemistry might never ignite. Second, the first kiss. This is a chaotic exchange of chemical and tactile cues. The first kiss is so critical that a majority of women report losing attraction immediately after a bad one. It's the final screening process. If it goes well, the nervous system pumps out that fight or flight energy, heart racing, pupils dilating.